Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be unboxing the 3 Pokemon packs that are in the thumbnail, of course. Alright, let's start with this one. This one looks pretty cool. Okay. I already got this Pokemon. Just sad. Oh no, just to prove that I unboxed it. Here it is, all broken. The Pokemon. Oh, I got one of these again. Right. Okay. First one. This thing. These suck. Like that one. Literally does no damage. It does 20. No, it does 50. No, I forgot to show it to you. This one. No, your opponent active Pokemon is now confused. I hate those Pokemon. So, whatever. I already have this one. Do not have this though. Don't have this. Don't have this. Luxio. I don't know. Luxio. Don't even know how to say it. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's set them right there. Just ripped it apart. Sad, whatever Pokemon. I thought it was gonna be good in packs, right? That one. Don't even have these Pokemon, which are good. If I have them, then what is the point of it? Oh, sure, I'm not even showing you them. These two. Got that one. I do not have that one. That one's pretty sick too. Ooh, look at this capture energy card. Why did I read that? I'll read them at the end, maybe. No, I'm not promising. Not promising. Nope, not promising. Not promising. Alright. Last pack. Quick video, because I only have 3. Not that many. I did use scissors, just in case I'm not using them. Which is pretty sad. R.I.P. scissors. Alright. These are the last packs. Alright, so we got this Pokemon, this Pokemon, this Pokemon. Oh, wait, what is the name of it? Wait, Raleigh Collie. I don't know. Comment down below if you know the name. Kind of backwards. Write it down. It's starting with the R. Really hard to say. Comment down below if you know it. This one is Clefairy. I don't know. Next one is this guy. Ooh! We got a VMAX. Damn! Look at that thing. That is beautiful. 180 damage. And that's a VMAX? Damn. Green energy card. Lame. No one likes them. Metapod. Let's see if we... Nope, no more Vs. Well, we did get a VMAX, which is insanely good. Ooh. That is beautiful. Like, just one more close look. Look at that VMAX. Oh my god. I know this stuff here. Woo! Alright, so here are all the Pokemon cards. I have an ass. Or God. We'll put every single one of these, they'll put on the side. So we got the VMAX. I don't know how they're sorted, so. I'll let you see. Take a quick look at them. Comment down below if you guys know this name. I think I already have this one. I might need to check. I already have this. I already have this one. And then these are the last two. So I'm gonna have to check if I got this one. But I think I got two of the same Pokemon cards. This is a ripoff. What the heck? I do! This thing's a ripoff. Burning Scraft. Part 2 is gonna see how much Pokemon cards I have. Next one's gonna see how much Pokemon cards. Then I'm gonna be dedicated counting them. Bye. Oh, by the way, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. For more Pokemon content. Pokemon content. Oh shoot! Alright. Peace. Like and subscribe.